You need to brace yourself, because when you really understand how much money you can make with Nexus Snap, you are going to be blown away. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Nexus Snap is a new online business opportunity that is getting a lot of traction. As I'm recording this video, Nexus Snap is actually in pre-launch, but just in a few weeks, it is going to be 100% live. Now, if you've never heard of Nexus Snap before, it is in the cash back and savings industry. It basically allows people to never pay full price whenever they shop on and offline, and even get money back every time they shop on or offline. Now, Nexus Snap is starting to get a lot of buzz because they are claiming to be the most lucrative $10 a month business out there. I've even gotten some questions about the compensation plan and what makes it so good. I ain't gonna lie, there is so many different aspects of the compensation plan, so many different ways that you can actually make money with Nexus Snap. So instead of doing all that, what I'm going to do is put a link in the description of this video that's going to take you to the Nexus Snap compensation plan flip book. All right, so all you need to do is click that link in the description. It's going to take you straight to the flip book, and at that point, all you need to do is just click on each page, and there's a little audio button so you can actually listen to the presentation, and you will understand every way that you can make money with Nexus Snap. Now, I'm pretty familiar now with the compensation plan, but I actually had to listen to it like 2-3 times to really understand the earning potential of this opportunity. So what I want you to do is make it a point to go through this flip book at least 2 times and make sure you are not distracted by anything. Make sure you are absolutely focused on what you're seeing and what you're hearing, because trust me, you are going to be blown away. And the cool thing about Nexus Snap is ultimately all you got to do is just promote the opportunity, because once you become a Nexus Snap premium member and an affiliate, all you need to do is put this opportunity in front of people. Put it in front of as many people as you can, because this is one of them opportunities that appeals to the masses. And if you don't believe me, just ask yourself, who doesn't want to save money every time they shop? Who wouldn't want to get cash back every time they shop? And who wouldn't want to earn a monthly recurring income? I'm about 99% sure that after you get done going through this compensation flip book, you are going to want to start your own Nexus Snap business. And all you need to do is come back to this video and click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.